muted. Firstly, keep all of yourself muted. I would feel happy if all of you own your cameras. I always like to watch children. If you keep closing your cameras, I can't see. So on your cameras and show your sweet and cute faces to me. Okay. Next, all of you keep yourself muted. Whenever you have a query, please raise your hand. Or you can type your doubts in the chat box. Whenever I ask you a question,
you can type your doubts at the chat box.
Somebody is speaking. Please mute yourself and speak. Okay. If I ask a question, I'll be naming out one child. They will unmute and answer. The others can give your answers in the chat box. Okay. If anyone has joined yourself with your parent's name, in the Zoom link, you have an option to rename yourself in the more category. Go to the more option and there you can rename yourself. So whenever I call up a child, that shouldn't be their mothers or fathers or somebody guardian's name. It would be much better if it's your own name. Okay. So hope you all are ready for your first class of Olympiad sessions. Oh, very big smiles on your faces. Very good, very good. It's very good boosting for us to see all your smiling faces. Okay, so let's start the session for the day. Okay. Two, three, one, go. So our topic for the day is number sense. So this will be your first chapter, number sense. In the number sense, in the first class, we learn few topics. Before that, I hope many of you children have come. If possible, can you introduce yourself one after the other? Just name yourself. Which school do you study and where are you from? And please do not write anything on the screen. Do not write anything on the screen, please. If you stop writing it, you people could introduce yourself. Let's start with Ashwini.
Yes, ma'am.
On your camera and introduce yourself.
My name is Harsha. I study in Mitra Academy. I am 8 years old. I live in Bangalore.
Okay, fine. Please rename yourself. It's written as Ashwini. So I was thinking it was a girl. Please rename it Harsha. Next.
Okay.
Next. You people can introduce yourself one after the other. Please unmute and start introducing. Next, Harshini. You don't want to introduce? Okay, Disha.
My name is Disha. I study in Kumaran. I am in 3rd standard.
Okay, let me say hi to each and every one of you. Since you people are feeling much shyer to introduce yourself, I don't know why. Arnish, hi. Risha, Siza, Barsan. So there are many other who feel like anyone who is interested to introduce yourself to the class. Shantanu, Tina, Sannidhi, anyone?
My name is Anish Bhattacharya.
Very good, Ronish.
I am from Calcutta. I study in Don Bosco School, Park Circus, Kolkata.
Okay. Welcome to the class, Arnish. Anyone else?
Yes, miss. I am Miss Elena Linesh. I am from Mumbai. I am 8 years old.
Okay. Hi, Lina. Welcome to the class.
Thank you, miss.
Ma'am, can I introduce?
Yes, one after the other.
My name is Sharma and I study in Wisdom World School and I'm in 3rd class.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I introduce? My
Yes,
name
yes.
is
Yes. Okay. Fine. There are no more who is interested. So let's continue with the class. Okay. Here
Can
is the
I
topics of the day. Hello. Okay. Here
Ma'am,
are the
can I
topics of the
introduce
day.
myself?
Yes, yes, dear. Yes, you can.
My name
Your voice is breaking. It's okay. Fine. Let's start the session.
Ma'am, can I introduce
myself.
It's okay. It's okay. Now we are getting running out of time. Let's start the class. Okay. Okay, fine. So here is the first class of your number sense. And in our first session, let's learn some topics and let's see what are the topics that we are going to learn for the day. Here are the topics. So first, let's learn what are numbers and their number names. Next, let's learn place value and face value. Next, how to represent numbers on abacus. Next, lastly, let's learn the expanded and short form of the numbers. So these are the 4 topics that we'll be covering in this session. Okay, first we'll learn 4-digit numbers and their number names, place values and their face values of digits, how to represent numbers on abacus, expanded and short forms of numbers. So let's start with our first topic. What is our first topic? Numbers up to 999. So this is all what the numbers that you have learned till your class 2. Okay, till 999 you have learned all the numbers. What are those and how are they? How did they come? Let's see. So counting small numbers is very easy. We count them using fingers on a hand. So when you have numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how will we count? We count the small numbers with our fingers. Among the smallest numbers that we count, the smallest 1-digit number is 0 and the largest 1-digit number is 9. So these are the smallest and the largest 1-digit numbers. Now let's move on. Okay, we don't have 1-digit numbers. We know how to count them with our fingers. Now let's move on. Now, when you go out to count the number of houses in your street or number of shops in the market, we need bigger numbers. Like we can't count. It's not that we have only little shops in the market or some houses in the street. We may have need of bigger numbers. That is, we may need of 2-digit numbers. So the largest 1-digit number, if you add 1 to it, you get the smallest 2-digit number. What is the largest 1-digit number? We have seen it as 9. So on adding 1 to this largest 1-digit number 9, we get the smallest 2-digit number, which is 10. So these are the 2-digit numbers. Now what is the largest 2-digit number? The largest 2-digit number is 99. Smallest 1-digit is 0. Largest 1-digit is 9. Smallest 2-digit is 10. Largest 2-digit number is 99. So this is up to 2-digit numbers which we have learned till your class 1. Next, you would have learned about 3-digit numbers. What are the 3-digit numbers? 3-digit numbers, when will be you using? Like when you go for a cinema theater, how many people are watching the movie? Or when you go out for a shopping mall, how many people are in the shopping mall? In such cases, we need bigger numbers than 99. For that purpose, we need 3-digit numbers. So, largest 2-digit number plus 1 gives us the smallest 3-digit number. What is the largest 2-digit number? 99. On adding 1 to it, we get 100, which is the smallest 3-digit number. So this is how we get. Now, who can tell me what is the largest 3-digit number? Elena.
Miss, 999.
999. So this is the largest 3-digit number. This is all what you have learned till your class 2. Numbers up to 999. Now let's move on to learn our new concept, 4-digit numbers. So 4-digit numbers, what are they? How are they formed? Why do we need them? All those things first let us see. So for example, you are buying a cycle. So many of you are at home. You have lot time for your physical activity. So let's think one of you want to buy a cycle. So what would be the cost of the cycle? It would be a 4-digit number. So, or if you go to a watch cricket in the stadium, 4-digit numbers we may need. So like many things, you want to buy a cupboard, you want to buy a wardrobe, whatever it is. So you need bigger numbers than 999. In that cases, how do we get 4-digit numbers? As we have seen, on adding 1 to the largest 2-digit number, we got smallest 3-digit number, which is 100. In the same way, on adding 1 to the largest 3-digit number, we get the smallest 4-digit number. See here, largest 3-digit number is 999, 999. On adding 1 to 8, we get the smallest 4-digit number, which is 1000. How do we read it as? 1000. This is read as 1000. In a 4-digit number, what all we have? Let us see. So, in a 4-digit number, we have 4 digits. How many digits we have? 4 digits. And those digits from right to left, it could be ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. Here is a picture, see. From the right side, you can see ones place, next tens place, next hundreds place, and then thousands place. So in a 4-digit number, how many places we have? 4 places. What are those first places from right to left? Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. This is a 4-digit number. Now, Sunny will tell me what is the greatest 4-digit number.
9,999.
Very good. Very good. It's happy to-
999.
Very nice. I'm very happy to see all of you answering. But I have so many Sunnivis in my class. I asked Sunnivi to answer. Everyone will get a chance. So I'll ask all of you. So the largest 4-digit number is 9,999. So let's move on to the next thing. Now let's remember some important things. Since it's an Olympiad class, we should not read regularly. We need to learn certain tips and tricks to use it in solving Olympiad questions. So let's see what are those tips and tricks that you can use. 10 hundreds is 1000. The same way, 100 tens is 1000. Let's see what is this 10 hundreds is 1000. In this picture, if you see, this is a block of 100. Now, if you include 10 blocks like this, you will get 1000. So, we say 10 hundreds is 1000. In the similar way, this is 10. This is a stack of 10. Such stacks, if you include 100 together, we get 1000. Okay? Is it clear? Again, I'm saying this is a rectangular block of 100 blocks. Such 100 blocks, if you include 10 if you blocks together, if you put together 10 such sheets, we get 1000. In the same way, here you can see a stack of 10 blocks. Such stacks, if you take 100 together, we get 1000 again. So that is what given here. 10 times 100 is 1000 or 10 hundreds is 1000. Similarly, 100 tens is 1000 or we can say 100 times 10 in tens is 1000. Is it clear all of you? If you're understanding, show your thumbs up. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now let's learn. Okay, 4-digit numbers kya hai? What are those we have seen? Now let's see how to name them. 4-digit numbers are from 1000 to 9999. How can we name them? Let us see. See how to name a 4-digit number is a question. So let's see with an example. What I told you, in a 4-digit number, right from the, if you look into the digits from the right side, we have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. This is the places. Now using these places, we have to name them. Here in ones place I have 8, tens place I have 2, hundreds place I have 5, and thousands place I have 1. Now let's see how to name this 1528 4-digit number. Here I have 1 in thousands place, so 1000, 5 in hundreds place, so 500, and I have 2 8 in tens place. So this together is named as 28. So the answer, the number name for this 1528 is 1528. So how do we name a 4-digit number? First, we write the name of the thousands place, next hundreds place, next tens and ones together. So 1528 is named as 1528. Now I have a number 5307. Who can answer this for me? Shantanu. Shantanu will answer this.
Present, miss.
Shantanu, give me the number name for this. 5307.
5307.
Very good. It's 5307. Next we have one more name. Number 8080. Now I want Risha to answer this. Risha, how can we read this number 8080?
8,000.
Ayuk will answer this. Ayuk, can you answer this?
80.
Very good. It's 8080. What is it? 8080. Very nice. Very good answering. So let's move on. You have a question. So we have learned 4-digit numbers and we have seen how to write the number names. Now let's see how to do this. Divyank will answer this question. 7506 in numeral form. Which of the following is the correct option for 7506? Divyank, which is the option? Correct? Number name is 7506. Yes. Divyank, can you answer?
Ma'am, C.
C is answer. Okay.
C
Now let's
answer.
check whether Divyank is right or wrong. Fisa, is Divyank right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So both of you are very good. So the answer is right. 7506. We have 7 in thousands place, 5 in hundreds place, and no tens, and we have 6 in ones place. So 7506 is the correct answer. So option C is the answer. Very nice. Now let's move on. We have an IMO question. So how do we get different types of questions in IMO from the concepts? Let's see here. So here we have a question. Mrs. Sharma wrote a 4-digit number on the blackboard. 3 students, Anshu, Vishal and Badal, said the following statements about the number. Anshu said it is a 4-digit number, but it is not least. मतलब वो छोटा नहीं है. It's not the least number. Vishal said it is less than the largest 4-digit number, but greater than 9997. Badal said its hundredth place digit is 9. If all the 3 students said the truth, then find the number. Okay. Disha, what is the Anshu statement here? It is a 4-digit number, but not least. What is the least 4-digit number, Disha? Disha, unmute yourself. 1000. Here it is said it is not least. So, वो 1000 नहीं है. So the number which we are about to find is not 1000. Now what Vishal said, it is less than the largest 4-digit number. Barsan, what is the largest 4-digit number?
Hi, ma'am.
Largest, yes, 9999. So it is less than 9999, but greater than 9997. And Badal said it has hundreds digit as 9. Now all the 3 statements are true. Then which would be the correct answer? Aditya will answer me. Aditya, can you answer?
Yes. B.
B is the answer. Okay. Next, let's check. Srinidhi, is B the correct option or no?
Yes, ma'am. It's the correct answer.
Yes, let's check whether both are right or wrong. Yes, absolutely right. Clap for yourself, all of you virtually. Very good participation, all the kids. I'm happy. So, yes, option B. Why is it option B? It is not the least number. So, Anshu is correct. It is less than the largest number, but greater than 9997. So, that is also correct. It has 9 in its hundredth digit. So, that is also correct. So, all the 3 reasons are satisfied in option B. So, that is the correct answer. So, now let's move on to the next thing. So, abacus. So, what is abacus? How can we use this? Let us see. Abacus is a tool used for counting. Asini, please do not write anything on the screen. Okay. So abacus is a tool used for counting. Here we have a number on abacus. Since we are talking about 4-digit numbers, we have 4 spikes. In the sense, 4 rods on the abacus. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Now, using these abacus picture, we need to say what is the number represented on it. How can we say that? We need to count the beads on each spike, and we have to write the number. Now, let's see in finding it. Mehul, what is the number at ones place? Mehul, can you answer, Mehul?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the number at ones place?
3.
Very good. Sheetal, tens place? Sheetal, what is the digit at tens place? Okay, Shaba, what is the digit at tens place? Unmute yourself and answer.
1.
1. Next, Divyang, what is the digit in hundreds place?
Yes, ma'am. 4.
What is 4? Very good, Divyang. Sanvi, what is the digit at thousands place?
Abacus.
Very good. Shanvi, what is the digit at thousands place?
2.
2. Very good. Neela, can you read the complete number now?
Yes, miss. 2,413.
2,413 is the correct answer. So the number on the abacus is read as 2,413. Now, Darshika, we have another abacus here. How many, what would be the ones place digit? Abel, what is the ones digit?
7, ma'am.
Very good, Darshika. Next, what is the tens place digit, Abel?
2, 3, 4.
Aditya, what is the tens digit?
5.
Very good. Ayukta, what is the hundreds digit?
0.
0. Very good, because we have no beats there. Next, Hasini, what is the thousands digit?
What question, ma'am?
On the abacus, second picture, how many beads are there in the thousands place?
Okay, ma'am. 4,050.
So the number is 4,057. Okay. So this
Okay,
is how,
ma'am.
when we have number beads on the abacus, how can we read the number? Now we have a question from IMO workbook on abacus. First, let's read the question. Which of the following abacuses shows the number 4,321? This is our question. 4,321. Olana, can you give the answer?
Ma'am, D.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, Hasni.
Hasini, yes, Hasini.
I tell
What is the option? A, B, C, or D?
D.
D. Shirshi, what is the answer? Is she right? Is Hasini correct?
B.
Ma'am, the answer is B.
Let's
B,
check.
ma'am.
The option is B. Since we should have 4 in thousands place, 300 in hundreds place, 2 in tens place, and 1 in ones place. So 4,321. Option B is correct. Now let's
Ma'am?
move on. Yes.
Ma'am, all of these chart.
All of this? Okay, let's move on to the next topic, which is place value and face value. Many of you always have a doubt with this place value and face value. Many get confused. What is face value? What is place value? All these things. Now let's see. face value of a digit is same as the digit in the number. Okay. When you see somebody, when you look at my face, what do you say? Padma. When I look at Darshika, what will I say? This is Darshika. So by seeing the face of a person or by seeing the face of a digit, what value you remember, that is called face value. By looking into a red, cute fruit, what do you firstly remember? Apple. When you look into apple, you call it as apple, isn't it? So in the same way, by looking into the object or by looking into the digit, what is the first thing that you remember? That is called the face value of the digit. Face value of the digit is same as the digit. Now coming to place value of the digit is its value at the position it occupies in the number. Face value is very simple, but place value is something, it depends on where the digit is in the number. If it is in 100th place, the place value, yes you can.
Thank you, ma'am.
If the digit is in 100th place, it has a different place value. If the digit is in 10th place, it has a different place value. So the place value changes with its position. Let's see a small tip on it. The place value is nothing but face value into the value of the place of the digit, or you can say it as position of the digit. Place value is nothing but face value into position of the digit. So let us understand this with some example. I have a number 6308. Always remember children, there are three terms. One is place, second is place value, third is face value. Face value is the digit itself. Place is कौन सी जगह में है, in which place is that digit. For example, in the 6308, what is the place of 3? 100th place. What is the place of 8? 1's place. So face value is clear, place is clear. Now when you multiply this place and face value, you get place value. So now let's see what is that. When you put this number in the place value chart, I have 8 in 1's place. Yes.
And place value and face value, I note, ma'am. Place value is number digit.
Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Please tell it loudly. Your doubt is not clear. Say again.
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know. You don't know. I'll explain. I'm here to explain you that. So I told you the place value is nothing but face value of the digit into its position. So value of the place of the digit is position. So there are three terms: face value, place, and place value. When you multiply the face value with the position of the digit, we get place value. Here see, in this number, we have 8 in 1's position, 0 in 10's position, 3 in 100's position, 6 in 1000's position. So these are the position of various digits. Now face value, what I said, face value is the digit itself. Shantanu, what is the face value of 8 here?
What, miss?
What is the face value of 8?
1 is 8.
Face value.
The 8.
8. Face value is digit itself. जो digit आपको दिख रहा है, what digit you are able to see, the same digit is face value. So face value will be the digits itself. Again I'm telling, face value is nothing but the same digit as it is face value. Now place value, what I said, place value means if whatever is in the face value, you have to multiply that with the position. For example, what is the face value of 6?
The place value of
what
6
is
600.
Not 600, it's 6,000.
Place value of 6 is 1000.
Face value of 6 is 6 and its place is 1000. When I multiply the 1000 with this 6, I get its place value as 6,000.
Ma'am, 6,000 only, ma'am.
Yes, again I'm telling it. Place value is nothing but, I think all of you can see the movement of my arrows on the screen. Place value is nothing but face value into position. Position or place. So this position's value and the face value, if you multiply, you will get the place value. Here 3 is in hundreds place. So face value 3 into position is 100. So 300 is the place value of 3. The same way for 0, wherever it is 0 only. Next ones. Here face value is 8 and it's in ones place. So 8 into 1, 8. So 8 ones. So this is how you have to find the relation between face value, place and place value. Face value and place, if you multiply, you will get the place value. Is it clear, all of you? All of you, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
miss.
good. Let's move on.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, if you have understood this place value and face value and place, you should be able to answer this. Okay. Before starting the question, I have a question here. You have a number 5461 on the screen. Now,
No,
Elena,
ma'am.
is it not visible to all of you? 5461.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Visible.
Yes. Elena, can you tell me what is the place of 4?
Miss
100,
100.
ma'am.
100.
I'll give chance for all of you. Shantanu, what is the face value of 5?
Empty ball.
5.
Very good. Very good. Hasini, what is the place value of 6?
Place value 6 once, ma'am.
Place, I'm not asking about place. I'm talking about place value. What is the place value of 6?
6,
Place
ma'am.
value is also 6. Very good. You should say that. Don't get it doubted. Face value is also 6 and place value is also 6 since it's in one's place. Now, what is the place value of 4? Risha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Risha, what is the place value of 4?
100.
Place value.
400.
Very good. 400. So here you have a question. The place value and the face value of 5 is same in which of the following? In every of this option you have 5. But in only one option, face value is and face value both are same. What would be the correct answer? Read out the question again and think properly. Read all the options. Aditya, can you answer me? Aditya Joshi.
Ma'am, C, ma'am.
Disha, is the option C correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, option C is correct. Let's see why is it right or wrong. Option C is correct. Why? Because as I've told you, just now Hasini has also answered. 6 is in one's place. So its face value is also 6 and place value is also 6. In the same way, here the place value and face value of 5 is same when it is in one's place. So here we have some points to remember. The place value and face value of 0 is always 0. 0, wherever it is, its place value will be 0 and its face value will also be 0. Similarly, the place value and face value of a digit is same at one's place. When any digit is in one's place, its face value and place value will be same. Now, Shirish, can you tell me which of this tip is used in solving the before previous question? The first one or the second one? Unmute yourself, Shirish.
Second one.
Unmute yourself, then speak. You are muted. Hello?
Second one.
Yes, second one. Very good. So let's move on to the next thing. Here you have an IMO question. Which place value will determine the largest number among the given two numbers? Here we have two numbers. Which of these, in these two numbers, which place value will determine the largest number. Which is the largest number, and by seeing which place you are able to say that. By seeing thousands place, you are able to say the number is bigger. By seeing hundreds place, you are able to say the number is bigger. Or by seeing tens or ones, by seeing which place you are able to say the number is bigger. Is the question. Neela, can you answer me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you answer me, Neela?
Which place value will determine the largest number amongst
1000, ma'am.
Okay. Who said this 1000?
Hasini, ma'am.
Hasini, let others get a chance, please. Neela, give me your option.
The answer is 1000.
1000. Okay. Divyang, is 1000 correct?
No, ma'am.
What is the answer, Divyang? What is your answer? 10.
Tens.
Okay. Mukta, what do you feel?
Tens.
Tens. Okay. Shanvi, what is your answer?
Ma'am, I know.
You don't know? Okay, no, I'll explain you. Sheetal, can you tell me what is your answer? Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes,
Ma'am, tens.
tens. Okay. So many gave tens and some said thousands. Let's see. The question I'll read again. The place value which determine the largest number. So in these two numbers, which is the largest number? First, Basan will tell me which is the largest number.
Ma'am, 9,213.8, ma'am.
Okay,
Largest
9,238 is the largest you are saying. Okay. Now, how are you able to say whether this is largest or not? See here, in thousands place, in both numbers we have 9. So we can't say by seeing thousands digit. In hundreds digit, for both numbers we have 2. Again, we can't say which is the largest. But in tens place, here we have 3 and here we have 7. So, by seeing the tens digit, we are able to say 9,276 is the largest number than 9,238. So, here by seeing the tens digit, we are able to decide the largest number. So, option C is the correct answer. Okay. So, you are supposed to look into the places properly. Here, both thousands digits are same and hundreds digits are same. So, by seeing them, we can say which is biggest. Only by seeing the tens digit, we are able to say which is biggest. So, that is the correct answer. Next, let's learn.
I don't know, ma'am. Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. No issue. It's not that everyone should know every answer. The class is itself meant to
Ma'am,
learn.
I don't know because I am a new student.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm here to teach all you the new concepts. And if you have any doubt which you don't feel like asking, you can... Yes. Now we'll see expanded form and short form. Any doubt which you don't feel like asking directly, you can even type in the chat box. You'll get your answer for that. Now let's see what is expanded form. Expanded form of a number is expressing the number as the sum of place values of its digits. Yes, please.
Ma'am, I think my voice is not audible. I've answered many questions, but you didn't hear my voice.
Can I just know who's that?
Ma'am, my name is Teresh and I'm saying I think my voice is not audible. I'm audible. I think that I answered
Yes.
many questions, but
Yes,
you have
yes,
not
yes.
heard my voice.
Yes, Shirish, I asked you 2 to 3 questions, but your answers are not audible. The other children gave the answer. Yeah, voice is audible for the first time now. Please check your internet connection. I could see you answering. I could see you raising your hand, but your voice is not audible to me. So, sorry for that.
Ma'am, can you hear my voice now?
Yes, I can hear you here. Okay, now let's see. The expanded form of a number is expressing the number as the sum of the place values of its digits. So, now we have seen how to write the place value of various digits in a number. Now, expanded form is nothing but if you add sum or if you add up all the place values of digits, that is expanded. Let's see it with an example. I have a number 7,286.
Ma'am, I tell this one.
Yes.
7,000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 6.
Very good. So let me explain for the others. So here I have a number. Now how can I write it in the expanded form? Let's see. First let me check it's in places. I have 6 in ones place or units place, 8 in tens place, 2 in hundreds place, and 7 in thousands place. Now what I said, expanded form is something which is sum of all the place values of its digits. So here how many digits we have? 4 digits. They are
High
7 to
school
8, 6. Now the place values of all these digits, if you add, you get expanded form.
Ma'am?
Right? Yes.
My school is this teaching this one.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So now the expanded form of this 7286, 7286 is what I said. You have to make it as sum of place values of its digits.
I also study this.
Okay. Please keep yourself muted. So here the place value of 7 is 7000, 2 is 200, 8 is 80, 6 is 6. So the sum is nonsense. Adding the place values of all these digits is expanded form. Expanded form is addition of the place values of all the digits. So when we have a number, we write the expanded form as sum of place values of all the digits. Okay, this is expanded form. So what is the short form? The number itself is a short form. While expanding, you split it and express as place value
Ma'am,
sum.
drink water.
Yes. In short form, we write the number as it is. So this is all about expanded form and short form. Here there is a question on expanded form and short forms. Let's see. Expanded form of smallest 4-digit number whose all digits are same. Shirish can answer this.
Yes, ma'am. No,
Ma'am, can I answer?
I'll give a chance to all. Have patience. Please wait. Okay. Shirish, tell me what is the smallest 4-digit number?
the smallest 4-digit number is 1000.
Okay. But here the question is, all the digits should be same. So what would be the number? In 1000 we have 1,000,000. But I want all digits same. So we can't have all zeros.
Ma'am, can I take the answer?
One second. I'll give a chance to all. Yes, Shirish, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, like 1101.
1101. In 1101, don't you have a
Ma'am,
zero?
1111.
Yes, 1111. Mehul, what is the expanded form of 1111?
The
Expanded
expanded
form of 1111.
one.
Okay, Ayukta can give the answer. Expanded form of 1111. So here the number
Ma'am,
is
answer is D.
1111 is the answer because it is the smallest 4-digit number with all digits same. Now when you expand 1111,
அடிச்சு புடிச்சு லைனா.
Shantanu, what is the answer? Option.
What, miss?
What is the option?
Which one?
The question that you are seeing on your screen.
Ma'am, sorry. You repeat one this.
Okay. The expanded form of smallest 4-digit number whose all digits are same. Smallest 4-digit number is
Miss 1000.
1000. But I said all the digits should be same. So 1000 cannot be the answer. Question. So with all the digits same, the smallest 4-digit number is 1111. 1111.
Option D.
Now the expanded form of this is option D.
It's option
Which
D.
is 1000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 1.
Okay,
So,
miss.
in Olympiads, you never get a direct question. You are supposed to
Ma'am, Olympiad
find the
exam
trick in the
which
question
day?
and then solve it. There are so many days, so much time for the Olympiad exam. Dear, first
You
let's
Sunday?
Sunday you'll have a weekly test.
Ma'am, how will we get these
Okay, ma'am.
questions?
Yes, I'm giving you the explanation. See here, the smallest 4-digit number whose all digits are same is 1111. And when
Ma'am,
you expand this, you get
Teacher, where will we get the practice questions?
once let me finish the session. I'll give you all the information. But till that, have patience and first learn the concept. Then I'll give you the information for all practice questions, exam, everything. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Here is the Olympiad question on expanded forms. On the column A, you have expanded forms, and column B, you
Ma'am,
have
I write
short
this
forms.
one.
No, you need not write. You'll get a recording. You can look into that again. First, look into the question and find the correct option here. Vaishnavi, can you give me the answer? For P, 400 plus 60 plus 8 matches with what? Vaishnavi,
Answer ball.
The answer is 3.
answer is 3, 468.
Yes, the answer is C.
Okay. Sheetal, can you give me the answer for Q? 4000 plus 600 plus 80. Sheetal,
Yeah, 3 এর মধ্যে ডিফারেন্স আছে মিউট কর
Sheetal. Okay, Srinidhi will answer for Q.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, answer is C.
Ma'am, I
Answer is
answered this one.
no for Q. I'm asking for Q. 4608. C. 600 plus 80.
Ma'am, I tell this one. This answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, 4680.
Okay. So let's check the options. Oh, sorry. So here you have P, 400 plus 60 plus 8, which is 468. 4000 plus 600 plus 80, 4680, option 1. So here P is matching with 3 and Q is matching with 1. So we have two
And this
options C and P. Let's check. 400 plus 6 is 406, which is option 4. 4000 plus 60 plus 8 is 4068. So 2. So the option is 3. 3, 1, 4, 2. So this is all about your topic for the day, which is numbers beyond 999. What is the number names? How can we represent them on abacus? What are the place values and their face values? How to write it in expanded and short. Okay. Now let me check all of you have understood the topic or not. Now we have a small test on what you have learned now.
Ma'am, time is over, ma'am.
No, just it's a small test. You just have 5 questions in it. Just finish your test. You have a link in the chat box. Click on the link, all of you. All of you click on the link in the chat box. Fill answers for all the questions. There's a link on the chat box. Click on the link. You'll get the questions. Answer them all and click the submit button below it. You have a submit button. If you click the submit button, your test will reach me.
Ma'am, I don't coming this.
Can you see the link on the chat box here?
Ma'am, chat box I take on. I don't come this one.
Okay, you're not getting the chat box. Okay. Can you see the mute option? Mute, unmute, video
Ma'am, I
option. Can you see?
don't this one.
Are you operating with your mobile?
No, ma'am, Ma'am, this is tab, ma'am.
Ma'am, I cannot type my name in the link.
You have to click. You can't type your name in the link. If you open the link,
Ma'am,
there
I
you have the name
received
option. Click near the name. Click near the name. You'll get an option to type your name. All of you, once you submit, click sub.
Not enabled. Was
Ma'am, it is not enabled.
I cannot type.
Ma'am,
I cannot type my name.
You're not getting the link. 1 second. Let me check. Give me a minute.
I am getting the link, but we cannot type.
1 second. 1 second. Give me a second. I'll just give you.
You can type in the link. You can take help from your parent if anybody is there. So please assist him. Other students, are you able
Samaira,
to?
Arnish, Samath has raised their hands. Any doubt?
I cannot type my name.
Please
The others are able to do.
Please click on that link.
First, so these were the questions of your assignment. The numeral for 8088 is, here we have 8 in 8000's place, no hundreds, 88. So 8088 is the correct answer. Next, your second question. Which of the following child's number has 3 in hundreds place? I want the digit 3 in hundreds place. In the first option, we have 3 in thousands place. In the second option, we have 3 in tens place. In third option, we have 3 in hundreds place. In fourth option, we have no 3 at all. So which is the correct answer? Option C. Next, coming to third question. Select the correct option. So we have 4 options, which is the correct we need to see. The place value of 4 in 8492 is 4000. Is it right? No. Why? Here we have 4 in hundreds place. The same way, the place value of 6 in 9516 is 600. This is right or wrong? No. Why? We have 6 in ones place. So the place value of 6 will be 6, not 600. Next, option C. The place value of 9 in 7491. Here 9 is in tens place, so its place value is 90. I told you, to get the place value, you have to multiply the place with the face value. Place value is nothing but face value into
Ma'am,
position.
next class they what day?
Thursday, same time. So here again, place value of 2
This
in
week,
2000. This week
week,
Thursday. Yes, this week Thursday.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Here, if you see the place value of 2, it's in thousands place. So the place value of 2 should be 2000, but it's given as 2. This is again incorrect. So A, B, and D, 3 options are ruled out. The leftover is option C. Just 2 minutes. I'll just finish these 2 questions, then I clear all your queries. Okay. What is the difference between the place value and face value of 5 in 4598? So this is the question. Here, what is the place value of 5? Place value of 5 is 500. Why? It is in hundreds place. Now, what is the face value of 5? We know it's 5. Now, the question is, what is the difference between this?
Ma'am,
500 minus 5 is 495. So, this is the answer. Now, many of you have a doubt of this question. 400s, 1910s. What is this 400 and 1910s? 400 is nothing but 400. 1910s. Can't I write it as 10 tens plus 9 tens? Can we write it or no? But what is 10 tens? 10 tens is 100. 10 tens is 100. So 400 plus 100 plus 9 tens is 90. So 400 plus 100 is 500 plus 90, 590. That is why I told you. All the questions in Olympiad will not be straightforward. There will be certain tricky questions. Here the trick in this question, 400 and plus 90 in tens. But you never have 90 in tens. You have only one digit in tens. So 10 tens plus 9 tens. 10 tens is 100. So we write it as 400 plus 100 plus 90, which is 590. These are the questions of your assignment.
Ma'am, you get in the homework what day this one?
One second. Firstly, whatever the things you have learned in this session, the complete recording will be given to you through your mails. Okay. Second thing, if you want to practice for IMO exam, you have two materials for practicing. One is Olympiad Prep Guide. The other is Olympiad Workbook.
Olympiad exam is what day, ma'am?
One second. First, let me finish. You have two books, Olympiad Prep Guide. IMO Workbook. These two books, you can purchase it online and you can practice. In every week, you have two sessions. One is Monday 5:30 to 6:30. The other is Thursday 5:30 to 6:30. On the two sessions which you learn in a week, you will have a weekend test. Okay? Every week, you will have a weekend test on Sunday. You will be given a link. You can just sit at your home and finish the test at any comfortable time of yours. You need not attend the class on Sunday. Your classes are only on 2 days. Monday, Thursday. These 2 days, whatever you learn, on weekend you have an exam, small test that you need to do. Then we'll continue our classes in the same way. Your Olympiad IMO exam will be around the month of December or November. That dates you will get in your mails. But now you don't worry about your examination. First, prepare for the concepts. Okay? I'll teach all the concepts of IMO exam in the classes. You'll have a practice test every session and weekly test also will be there. You can clear all your doubts. Then you can get your concepts clear to attend the IMO exam. Now start asking your doubts. Whoever has no doubts can leave the class if you feel like. If not, you can retain.
Ma'am, I
Class
like
timing,
this class one.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you very much, dear. Thank you so much.
Ma'am?
Class timing.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes, tell
Bye,
me.
ma'am. Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes, tell me.
How will we get the workbook?
In SO, I'll give you the site name.
Yes.
Ma'am, we need to buy the workbook.
ma'am, I Olympiad workbook. I don't know, ma'am.
You can buy that books in the site. One second, I'll give you the site name. I have given you the site name in the chat box. You can click on the site name and you can buy the books for your IMO practice. Yes. Yes.
Don't get information for NSO class.
You didn't get information for NSO class.
No, ma'am.
Do you have any contact number or mail ID for
Okay,
this class?
schedule has been shared to you, I think. NSO class will be, I think for class 3, it's on. Just give me a minute.
Thank you, Miss. Bye, Miss.
Bye, dear.
Thank you,
Tuesday and Friday.
miss. Bye, miss.
Those who don't have any
Welcome. Bye.
class, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes. Tell me.
On which days the class timing is?
The class will be on Monday and Thursday, 5:30 to 6:30.
Ma'am, I am not clear of the concept of the
Okay,
times of
science class is on Tuesday and
Ma'am,
it's on Friday. So class 3 science class is on Tuesday and Friday. So those who have opted for science also, it is on
Ma'am,
Tuesday
Priya,
and Friday.
Yes, dear, tell me.
This
Ma'am?
the timing of NSO class. Site one, I click one.
It will
Click this. I don't come this site book.
Ma'am, Usha ma'am, can you give the site link for purchasing the books for the kids?
okay. Wait a minute. It's
Yes,
class
ma'am.
4.
Don't come this. I click and don't come
One
this.
second. You
link.
get the link again. Once
I
again.
will share the link shortly. Just give me a minute.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm not clear of the concept of the place value.
Okay. Just 1 second. Did you understand what I said? Place value is space. Yes, you can leave. Who are clear can leave. Place value, what I said? Face value into the position I said. Isn't it?
Ma'am, I tell myself, okay, miss.
Just wait a second. Ma'am will give you the link. Then you can.
I have shared the link for the workbook. MTG workbook. I have shared the link of the workbook that you can purchase from the site, or you can find it on Amazon or Flipkart also.
Miss, you second one type this one. I click one this. That in this one.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't come this one. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Okay.
Ayushka, here is the concept. You wanted place value, face value concept, isn't it? I told you place value is nothing but face value into the position or the value is in thousands place. So,
Ma'am, I
place value.
have a Olympiad workbook, ma'am.
Okay.
3 ones.
Okay. Here the face value of 6 is 6. It is in thousands place. So to get the place value, we are supposed to multiply the face value with its position. It's in thousands place. So 6 into 1000, 6000. In the same way, if you see for 3, 3 is in hundreds place. So its face value into its position is 300. So in the same way, whenever you want to find the place value, you have to multiply the face value with the position or value of the position. Is it clear, dear? Very good. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes. Tell me.
ma'am, homework worksheet.
Homework will not be there. You just need to practice from the materials which has been given in the chat box. You can use those materials for practicing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye. Okay. Divyansh, you want the schedule for NSO for class 3?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, this is